Good evening, sir.
Good evening. So, in the last class, we have seen the formulas on the compound angles. So, we have seen that basic formulas from that. The formula of sin A plus B, sin A minus B, cos A plus B, cos A minus B, tan A plus B, tan A minus B, cot A plus B, cot A minus B. That formulas we have seen. That 8 formulas. Compulsorily, everyone has to by heart these. These are also is very very important formulas. Then from that we also have seen about the results, that is about sin A plus B into sin A minus B. What is the formula for sin A plus B into sin A minus B?
Sin
Sin
square A, sin
cos
square
square
B.
B minus cos square A.
Minus
Cos
sin
square
square
B
B
minus
or cos square B
cos square
cos square A.
minus cos square A.
What is the formula for cos A plus B into cos A minus B?
Cos square A
Cos
minus
square
sin
A
square
minus
B.
sin square B.
Cos square A minus sin square B or cos square
Cos
Cos
square
square
B minus
B
sin
minus
square A.
sin square A.
square. And also you have seen the formula for tan pi by 4 plus A into tan pi by 4 minus A value is 1. And if there is a tan pi by 4 plus A is there, if you want to convert this in terms of the cot, how do you write this in terms of the cot?
Cot pi by 4 minus a.
Cot pi by 4 minus A.
Minus A. When the angle is pi by 4, if you want to convert the tan to the cot or cot to the tan, just to change the sign in between. Plus hai to minus low, minus hai to plus low. Then automatically will convert into the cot. Okay, that point also we have to remember it. And apart from this, we also have seen the values for 15 degree. So what is the value of the sine 15 degree?
Cos
3
75
minus
degree.
1 upon 2 root.
That is also equivalent to cos 75 degree. That is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2.
2 root 2.
This is a value. That value also we have to remember it. Then, what is the value of cos 15 degree?
Sin 75 degree.
75 degree.
What is the value of this?
Root 3 plus 1 by
Root
2
3
root
plus
2.
1 upon 2.
Good. Root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. This is the value of cos 15 degree. So these two values we have to remember it. Apart from this, we also should remember the value of tan 15 degree. So tan 15 means this is, we can write as sin 15 upon cos 15 degree. Sin by cos, which is the tan. Means ये दोनों भी डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. दोनों वैल्यूज डिवाइड किया तो क्या मिलेंगे हमको? Root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. Because if you divide these two values, this 2 root 2 gets cancelled. Root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1, it is the value of the tan 15 degree. But whenever if you find a third in the denominator, immediately rationalize it. Don't keep that as it is. Then multiply and divide it by root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. Multiply divided by the conjugate of the denominator. So in the numerator, if you multiply that, root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1, that is root 3 minus 1 whole square upon denominator is, it is a plus b into a minus b. This is, you can write a square minus b square, where a square means root 3 whole square minus b square means 1 square. Like that you can write it. Now the numerator is in the format of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. If you expand this, it is a square means root 3 whole square, which is 3, plus b square means 1 minus 2ab, 2 into root 3 into 1, that is 2 root 3 upon root 3 whole square, which is 3 minus 1. So the numerator is 3 plus 1, that is the 4 minus 2 root 3 upon 3 minus 1, which is the 2. Now from the numerator you can do the 2 common, 2 gets cancelled, remaining 2 minus root 3. So this is the value of tan 15 degree. The value of the tan 15 degree is 2 minus root 3. This is also, we have to remember it. This is also equivalent to 15 degree. You can write 90 minus 75. 90 minus 75. How do you write tan of 90 minus 75? Tan 90 minus 75 is cot 75 degree. Therefore, tan 15 degree is also equivalent to the cot 75 degree, that is equivalent to 2 minus root 3. This value you have to remember it. Take that. So tan 15 degree is equal to cot 75 degree is equal to 2 minus root 3. Take that. Next. So similarly, we can also find the value of cot 15 degree. This is also equivalent to tan 75 degree. This is equivalent to 2 plus, excuse me, 2 plus root 3. This is also, you have to remember it. Cot 15 degree, tan 75 degree, that value is 2 plus root 3. Okay. So these are the values we have to remember in this topic. So the angles for 15 degree and 75 degree, you can remember it. Sin 15, cos 15, tan 15, cot 15. So these are also equal to sin 15 is cos 75, cos 15 equal to sin 75, tan 15 equal to cot 75, cot 15 equal to tan 75. That values you have to remember it. Okay. And if you want to write the secant 15, secant means which is the reciprocal of the cos. So cos 15 degree value का reciprocal करो आपको secant मिल जाएंगे. Cosecant 15 degree, cosecant is the reciprocal of the sin. Sin 15 degree का reciprocal करो आपको cosecant मिल जाएंगे. Okay. So these values also we have to remember it. Now, based on these formulas on the result, so all of you open your material. So all of you open your material. That open the page number 13. Page number 13, 1-3. That look at the problems from the classical thinking. Page number 13. इसमें पहले प्रॉब्लम देखो. So we have to find cos of 105 degree. Cos of 105 degree value हमको निकालना पड़ेगा. So if you find any value other than the acute angle, we have to convert that into the acute angle. For that, tell me how do you write this 105 in terms of the quadrant angle? 105 कैसे लग सकता?
Cos 90 degree plus cos 15 degree.
90 degree plus 15 degree ऐसे लिख सकता? 19 plus 15 और 180 minus 75 ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. अभी देखो 90 plus 15 कौन सा कोऑर्डिनेट में रहती? 90 plus 15, 90 plus कौन सा कोऑर्डिनेट?
Second.
Second.
सेकंड कोऑर्डिनेट. सेकंड कोऑर्डिनेट में cos क्या है?
Negative.
नेगेटिव. तो माइनस साइन मिलेगा. अभी क्वाड्रेंट एंगल 90 है तो cos changes to
Sine.
sin. So this is minus sin 15 degree. So minus sin 15 degree का वैल्यू क्या है? √3 minus 1 by 2 √2. So this is the answer for it. We minus से multiply किया तो is minus √3 minus is a plus 1 minus √3 by 2 √2. This is the value of sin cos 105 degree value is this much. Take that. Let's look at the next problem. Observe this second problem. डायरेक्ट आंसर दिया था tan 15 डिग्री। tan 15 डिग्री की वैल्यू क्या है?
2 minus root 3.
2 minus root 3. That is the third option. Now look at the third problem. So this third one. Cos 38 degree into cos 8 degree plus sin 38 degree into sin 8 degree. So what is the value of this? Once observe this format. So if you observe this format, since it is in the format of cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. That is the formula for cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is cos of A minus B. That is the formula for cos of A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So that formula we can apply here. So cos of A minus B, 38 degree minus 8 degree, which is 30 degree. What is the value of cos 30 degree?
Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2. So therefore, this answer is root 3 by 2. That's the answer. Let's look at the next problem. Problem number 4. Fourth problem देखिए एक बार. One by 4 into root 3 cos 23 degree minus sin 23 degree. So we have to calculate this value. Okay. So to simplify the problem is like this, because this is also an important concept. Remember that. So whenever if you find a trigonometric expression in the format of a sin theta plus b cos theta or a cos theta plus b sin theta, whenever if you find a trigonometric expression in this format a sin theta plus b cos theta, multiply and divide that expression by under root a square plus b square. So multiply and divide that expression by under root a square plus b square. If we do so, then this is going to convert either in the form of cos a plus b or cos a minus b, sin a plus b or sin a minus b format में आ जाएंगे. Okay? So that is the point we have to remember. So here I will calculate the value of root a square plus b square. So ये बोले तो cos का कोएफिशिएंट, नहीं तो sin का कोएफिशिएंट. So cos coefficient का इधर root 3. That is the a square बोले तो that is 3 plus b बोले तो sin का coefficient which is minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is 1. So that is root 4 means 2. Root a square plus b square value is that 2. So multiply by the 2 at the outside, divided by the 2 at the inside. Therefore, multiply by the 2 by 4 and divided by the 2. This is correct. Root 3 by 2 cos 23 degree minus 1 by 2 sin 23 degree. Like that. We will calculate the value of under root a square plus b square. That value we got that 2. So whatever the value we are getting here, with that value multiply by 2 and divided by that 2. Then this is 2 by 4 means 1 by 2 into. Now whatever the value here we are getting, express this either in terms of the cos or in terms of the sine. If you write this is in terms of the cos, write down this in terms of the sine. If you write this is in terms of the sine, write down this in terms of the cos. Root 3 by 2. Tell me for what angle cos will give root 3 by 2?
30 degree.
30 degree. So this root 3 by 2 I can write cos 30 into cos 23 minus. Then this 1 by 2 write down in terms of the sine. For what angle sine will give 1 by 2?
30 degree.
30 degree. So sine 30 degree, sine 23. So like that you can write it. So if you write like that, now observe that this was converted into the formula format. That is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. इसका formula क्या है?
Cos A plus B.
A plus B. That is 30 degree plus 23 degree. So 30 plus 23 कितना है?
53.
53.
53.
So 1 by 2 cos 53 degree आपको आ गया. ये है क्या ऑप्शन? ये ऑप्शन है क्या? ऑप्शन में है क्या आंसर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, this is it. Or otherwise, if the options are there, maybe also they available in terms of the sign. In certain cases, this is you can also write like this. Or here 1 by 2 is there. So this root 3 by 2 we can also express in terms of the sign. So for what angle sin will use root 3 by 2?
60 degree.
Sin 60 degree into cos 23 minus, if you write this is in the sine, this is you have to write in terms of the cos. For what angle cos will use 1 by 2?
60
Cos
degree.
60 into sine 23. So like that also we can express it. Then this is 1 by 2 if you write like that. This is converted in the format of sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. That is the formula for sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. That is sin of A
Cos A
minus
plus
B.
B.
That is 60 minus 23 degree. 60 minus 23, that is also equivalent to 37 degree. So like that, we can write in terms of the sine, or we can also write in terms of the cos. So generally express in terms of the cos, because most of the cases, the answer might be there in terms of the cos. Okay, so take that. Completed.
Completed, sir.
Yes, look at the problem number 5th one. What is the value of tan 5a minus tan 3a minus tan 2a is how much? So look at this type of the problem. So we have to find tan 5a minus tan 3a minus tan 2a. So we have to find the value of this. Okay. To find this, once here observe the angles. What are the angles? 5a, 3a, 2a. 3a plus 2a how much? 3a plus 2a.
5A.
5a. Good. 3a plus 2a, 5a. So that's why here I will consider 3a plus 2a is equal to 5a. Consider that relation. 3a plus 2a is equal to 5a, that we know it. So consider that relation. So don't cancel the a. Then apply tan on both the side. Then tan of 3a plus 2a is equal to tan 5a. Apply tan on both the side. Now if you observe this LHS side, it is in the format of tan of A plus B form. Tan of A plus B. What is the formula for tan of A plus B?
Tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A plus tan B.
Tan A into tan B. So tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. So we will apply that formula. So tan A, that is tan 3A, plus tan B, that is tan 2A upon 1 minus tan 3A tan 2A. So we will apply the formula of tan A plus B. We will expand that. That is equal to tan 5A. Okay. Do the cross multiplication. Then, so tan 3A plus tan 2A is equal to A term with the base दो, tan 5A से multiply करो. So tan 5A into 1, which is tan 5A minus, so tan 3A, tan 2A, tan 5A. You multiply करो, order में लिखो tan 2A, tan 3A, tan 5A. This is what we are getting there. Now bring this negative term this side, ये दोनों term उधर side भेज दो. Therefore, tan 2A into tan 3A into tan 5A is equal to tan 5A minus tan 3A minus tan 2A. So this answer is this much. So tan 2A, tan 3A, tan 5A value is this much. Understand? So this is also one of the result we can remember, that if the sum of the two angle is equal to the third angle, then the product of the tans of that angle is equal to tan of bada angle minus tan of chota angle minus tan of sabse chota angle. Okay, therefore this is the result we have to remember. If A plus B is equal to C, remember this result. If A plus B is equal to the C, the sum of the two angle is equal to the third angle, then tan A into tan B into tan C. Tan B into tan C is equal to, this is, you can write that tan C minus tan A minus tan B. So like that we can express this. So remember that result. Take that. Completed. Next, look at the next problem. So observe this problem number 6.1. What is the value of tan 57 degree, tan 12 degree minus tan 57 into tan 12 degree? Look at this. So tan 57 degree minus tan 12 degree minus tan 57 degree into tan 12 degree value is equal to how much? Here also just understand that, because here the angles were given. For these angles we don't know the value. We don't know the tan value for these angles. So whenever unknown angles were given, consider the sum of the angle or subtraction of the angle. If it is a known angle, consider that relation. Observe the angle here. 57 degree and 12 degree was given. What is the value of 57 minus 12? 57 minus 12 कितना है?
45.
45. So we know the value of the tan 45 value पता है ना हमको? That's why now consider 57 degree minus 12 degree is equal to 45 degree. ये relation consider करो. Okay? So sometimes we may get the sum of the angle may be the known angle. वैसे भी मिल सकते हैं. तब वो relation लेना पड़ेगा. Now apply tan on both the side. Apply tan on both the side. Then it is a tan of 57 degree minus 12 degree is equal to tan 45 degree. So tan रखो दोनों side. Now the LHS is in the form of tan of A minus B form. Tan of A minus B. We will expand that. Tan of A minus B का formula क्या है?
tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B.
Good. So tan A, that is tan 57 degree minus tan B, that is 12 degree upon 1 plus tan 57 degree into tan 12 degree is equal to tan 45 degree का value क्या है?
1.
1. अभी क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करो. Therefore tan 57 degree minus tan 12 degree is equal to 1 plus tan 57 into tan 12 degree. Okay? अभी ये प्रोडक्ट हम इधर भेज दो. Therefore we are getting that tan 57 degree minus tan 12 degree, ये दोनों टर्म इधर आ गए तो minus tan 57 into tan 12 degree. So इसका वैल्यू आएगा 1. That is the answer is 1. Take that.
Sir, in the option 1 is not given.
मिनट देखने दो मुझे. One is not there, but second option देखो. Second option में tan 45 दिया था ना? Tan 45 डिग्री वैल्यू 1 है ना? वही आंसर है. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Look at the next problem. Observe this problem number 7. Seventh problem देखो. That is cos 10 degree plus sin 10 degree upon cos 10 degree minus sin 10 degree value we have to find it. To find its value, what we will do is in the numerator and the denominator divided by cos 10. Cos 10 से divide करो. Cos 10 degree plus sin 10 degree upon cos 10 degree upon cos 10 degree minus sin 10 degree upon cos 10 degree. So cos 10 degree से divide करो. Divide किया तो cos 10 upon cos 10 which is 1 plus sin by cos. Sin by cos क्या है?
10.
tan 10 degree upon 1 minus tan 10 degree. ये वैल्यू मिलेंगे हमको. कल हमने फॉर्मूला दिया था. This is the formula for what?
Tan
of
pi by 4.
plus a. Tan of pi by 4 plus a is 1 plus tan a upon 1 minus tan a दिया था ना मैंने. So this is 1 plus tan a upon 1 minus tan a. So this is the formula for tan of pi by 4. Pi by 4 बोले तो 45 degree plus a बोले तो 10 degree. Your aim is 10. So it's a tan of 45 degree plus 10. So that is tan 55 degree. So this value is equivalent to the tan 55 degree. So sometimes this may not give the answer. Options में नहीं रख सकते. So this is also right like that. 55 हमने 90 minus 35 लिख सकता. 90 minus 35. So tan of 90 minus 35 क्या होता? That is cot 35 degree.
Cot 35.
Sometimes we may find this is in the option. Sometimes you may find this is in the option. So you can tan 55 or cot 35.
Done, sir.
Okay. Let's look at the next problem. Similarly, eighth problem, Karlov. Eighth problem, try करो. What is the answer for it? Cos 8 degree minus sin 8 degree upon cos 8 degree plus sin 8 degree. So if you want to find it, here also the procedure is same. The numerator and denominator divided by cos 8 degree. So it is a cos 8 degree minus sin 8 degree upon cos 8 degree upon cos 8 degree plus sin 8 degree upon cos 8 degree. Cos 8 degree से divide करो numerator and denominator. Now cos 8 upon cos 8, which is 1 minus tan 8 degree upon 1 plus tan 8 degree. Now it is in the form of 1 minus tan A upon 1 plus tan A. इसका फॉर्मूला क्या है? Tan 1 minus tan A by 1 plus tan A, tan pi by 4 minus A. Pi by 4 बोले तो 45 degree minus A बोले तो 8 degree. Tan 45 minus 8, which is tan 37 degree. Or this is, you can also write cot 53 degree. 90 minus 37. Sorry, 90 minus 53 is 37. Tan of 90 minus 53 is cot 53. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Let's look at the next problem. So this problem number 9. Tan A is given, tan B is given, then what is the value of A plus B? So to find the value of the A plus B, in all the options, you can find all of the constant angle is there. It is not there in terms of A and B. In certain cases, we will keep something for the A, because rather than keeping that values as it is and doing simplification, A का जगह में कुछ रख सकते हैं. बाद में simplification easy हो जाएंगे. So look at the 9th one. It is given that tan A is A by A plus 1. So tan B is equal to 1 by 2A plus 1. Then you have to find the angle A plus B. Okay. So to find this, rather than keeping these values as it is, because of the simplification, you may get somewhat difficult if you keep them as it is. That's why take something for the A. Here I will take that A is equal to 1. Don't take the 0, because tan A 0 हो जाएंगे, इधर tan B 1 हो जाएंगे. वैसे भी कर सकते, 0 भी ले सकते, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. A is equal to 0 लो. A is equal to 0 लिया तो tan A क्या होता? 0. 0 by 0 plus 1, that is 0. Tan A 0 है तो angle A क्या है? और what angle tan will give 0? 0 degree. And if you take that A is equal to 0, what is the tan B? 1 by 0 plus 1, 1. Then what is the angle B? 45 degree, that is pi by 4.
45.
So therefore, whatever the A plus B, pi by 4. That's the answer. A plus B is pi by 4. Let's take the next problem. Problem number 10. Let's observe this. Tan A minus tan B is given x. Cot B minus cot A is given y. What is the value of cot of A minus B? So 10th one. Tan A minus tan B is given x. Cot B minus cot A is given y. Then we have to find cot of A minus B. To find this, cot of A minus B we want it. That's why everything we want in terms of the cot. That's why. So this expression, tan A bole to I can write 1 by cot A minus tan B bole to I can write 1 by cot B is equal to x. Okay. Now here we'll take the LCM is cot A cot B is an LCM. Then in the numerator we'll get that cot B minus cot A is equal to x. So cot B minus cot A value was given y. So here substitute this y by x is equal to cot A cot B. This is the value of cot A cot B is y by x. Now I will take the formula for cot of A minus B. So cot of A minus B का formula क्या है? Cot of A minus B.
Cot A into cot B plus 1 by cot B minus cot A.
By cot B minus cot A. This is the formula for cot of A minus B. So cot A into cot B हमको पता है y by x करके. So अगर substitute करो, it is y by x plus 1 upon cot B minus cot A, which is y. The denominator becomes y. Where the LCM is x. So in the numerator we will get that y plus x. That is, you can also write x plus y by x by y means xy. This is the answer. X plus